Hello everyone. This is a Nissan Leaf Battery High voltage connector. This is the plastic retainer and terminal that we are going to learn how to remove. The terminal has two tabs and a seal. We start by removing the plastic retainer. The best way to bend the terminal tabs is to use wiper blade inserts with a slight bend at the end. There is a hole on each side, just insert the metal to press on the tabs and pull the wire back and it will release. In the description I will leave links on where to find new terminals. All we need now is to find the terminals on the other side. If you can help, leave a comment below. Goodbye and have a nice day.